Okay, so 'di ba si Coach Lian kasi yung development niya as a swimmer umabot hanggang masters no. Umabot hanggang masters yung development ni Coach Lian. From the very long time, 'di ba? Sa Southern Tagalog pa kayo up to the Manila, and then nagpunta siya ng Singapore up to now, nagko-compete siya. So nakikita natin dun yung long-term athlete development niya. So that makes papunta ako dun sa second question ko na related doon, Coach Lian. So my second question is, what recommendation, Coach Lian, we're talking na is the recommendations mo na what can you give recommendation, no? So this is the question. What recommendations would you give to help strengthen grassroots programs in the Philippines and ensure long-term athlete development?
Yeah, this is a very important question. Yeah, because I started swimming when I was grade 3, so I think 9 years old that ako na. And actually yung walang secret sa swimming, I'll be honest. It's how the coach give the foundation to the swimmers when it comes to endurance, stroke skills, and of course how they coach them. Yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat is yung matutunan ng swimmer na they need to learn first and to build their endurance, and then after that yung technique will follow. Kasi nabanggit ko rin kay Coach Micah nung nandito sila is like may mga bata na gusto 50 meters agad, yung alam mo yun, yung very nag-specialization agad sila at a very young age. Okay lang naman yun, wala mang kaso yun, pero sabi ko nga even though your event is only 50 meters, you need endurance. And at the same time, to hold, para ma-hold mo yung proper technique or matutunan mo yung proper technique ng isang stroke is kailangan yung foundation ng endurance mo is maganda and malalim. Kasi hindi naman, sabi ko sa kanila, hindi naman, lagi ko ito sinasabi, hindi naman normal sa atin na nagsiswimming. Kumbaga sa atin is just like 2 hours nasa pool tayo and everything else is nasa land tayo. So building endurance sa water is very important to hold your technique. And once you have a good technique, of course, the speed will follow. Right? And of course, mas mapiprevent ka from injuries. Which is yun ang pinaka-importante kasi for the long-term goal mo, if you have a good foundation, good technique, no injury at all, understanding ng how you swim, how you train, and how you race, yun yung pinaka-importante to prolong your career as a swimmer. So yeah, yun yung, I think for me, yun yung pinaka may suggest ko sa grassroots natin.
Okay, thank you for that. Yeah, maganda talaga yung mga binanggit mo, and from that marami kaming natutunan. Kaya actually lagi din namin to na pag-uusapan ni Coach Micah yung about yan sa long term. Gusto ko rin sana at this moment marinig din yung yung si Coach Micah for this one. Kahit brief lang, Coach Micah, additional.
Sa akin,
Long
technically,
term, long
kailangan
term.
talaga mag-take ng training years. Yun yung isa. Kasi nabanggit naman na lahat ni Coach Lian. You need to stick to the sport. Tapos ngayon, medyo ina-evolve ko yung sport eh. So, kung pwede ka mag-running, wall climbing, gusto mo mag-volleyball minsan, okay lang. Kasi yung philosophy ko ngayon talaga is to increase their athleticism. Isa yun sa, bukod sa technique, endurance, gusto ko mag-increase yung athleticism nila. Kasi, yun nga, yun yung sinasabi ko sa every parent education natin. Ang kalakasan ay hindi kahinaan. Ang kalakasan is hindi mo matatanggal yun. Malakas ka kung malakas ka. So, yun. Yun ang sa akin, Coach.
Well,
Yeah.
mag-add lang ako doon about sa sinabi ni Micah. I think it's good na well, siguro hindi lahat mag-agree sa akin, pero I think it's best way na ipa-try din yung ibang bata to do other sports. Kasi ano yan eh, understanding ng katawan mo eh, like understanding your body, like your coordination and all. Every sport links to swimming. And yun yung pinaka-importante kasi once na matutunan mo how your body works, then dun may apply mo rin siya sa tubig or may apply mo siya sa swimming mo. So I think the best is yung experience mo as a swimmer and experience mo doing other things. It will link together.
Okay, thank you for that, Coach Lian.